too many. Single crochet, yarn over, pull through, insert yarn over, pull through, single crochet, chain 1, another single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do a half double, so you go chain 1 into this space, yarn over, pull up, pull through all 3, yarn over, through, pull up, pull through 3. Okay. Now what you've got is more of a line. So now here's your corner part right here. So you're going to go yarn over, and we're going to do double crochet. Yarn over, through, pull up, pull through 2, pull through 2. 2 times. Single chain 1, another 2 double crochet in the same space. 1, 2. Okay, chain 1. We're on the side. We're going to go half double. Okay, chain 1, single crochet, okay, and so then what you've got is more of a square. You've got the corner here, and I'm going to work the rest around here, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done.